Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Capital One Venture Rewards card. Quick setup step by step clearly. To activate your Capital One Venture Rewards card, begin by locating your card. Ensure you have it with you as you will need the card details for activation. Next, visit the official Capital One website on your device. Look for the Activate Card option prominently displayed on the home page. Click on that link to proceed with the activation process. You will be prompted to enter your 16-digit card number. This number is found on the front of your card. After entering the card number, provide the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. This step verifies your identity and enhances security. Follow this by entering your date of birth in the required format. Once all information is correctly filled out, click the Continue button. The system will process your information and begin the activation. If successful, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen. Take a moment to review the details to ensure everything is accurate. Once confirmed, your card is officially activated and ready for use. You may also want to download the Capital One mobile app for easy access to your account. Keep your card in a safe place and enjoy your rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.